Let's not talk about my missing hair. Let's instead talk about which of the following is not an example of an instruction set architecture, ISA. You'll hear that a lot, so ISA is just instruction set architecture. We have a couple different options here. We have x64, we have x86, and then we have x84, as well as x86-64. We're gonna go over all of them right now. So x64 you might have heard before. x64 is just a 64-bit. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's pretty simple to remember. x64 is a 64-bit instruction set architecture. Now, what about x86? Well, x86 is not like what it seems. It's a 32-bit instruction set architecture. This is what they used in the old days. And I know you might be thinking to yourself, well, 64 is 64, but 86 is 32? Yeah, the naming had to do with the hardware that they used back in the day. So unlike x64, x86 is hardware based and not really associated with like the name base, so it's kind of harder to memorize, but just remember x86 is 32-bit. So that leaves us with x84. What is that? Well, it doesn't exist. So that's going to be the answer for this problem. When it says which of the following is not an instruction set architecture, ISA, x84 is that answer. Doesn't exist. So what about x86-64? Well, this is for something like Windows, where it's backwards compatible, meaning it is compatible with 32-bit and 64-bit instruction set architecture. It's able to do both. For any problems relating to ISAs or instruction set architecture, just remember there's an x64-bit and an x86-bit. x64 is 64-bit and x86 is 32-bit.